Yeah, finished that. Now we'll discuss about, these are numerical data types. Now we'll discuss character data types. Now we'll discuss character data types. See, okay, what are the character data types are there? Okay, what are the character sets? Character set. Okay, we have two types of character set. One is ASCII character set. We have ASCII character set. Another one is Unicode character set. Java supports Unicode character set. Java support Unicode. C support ASCII. How many characters are there? 0 to 255 characters are there. In Unicode, here ASCII character set, what it supports? English letters it supports, right? Some English letters it supports, and Greek letters it supports. ASCII character set means 0 to 255. It supports Greek letters. What about Unicode? It supports all language letters. Java supports Unicode. How many characters are there? 0 to 65,535 characters are there. 0 to 65,535. All language letters, Telugu, English, all language letters it supports. That is Unicode. Clear, right? Okay, now I want to print a characters. I want to print a character. In characters also we have two data types. Uh, Unsigned characters. Unsigned character. What is the format specifier? 1 byte it occupies. 1 byte it occupies. Percentile C is the format specifier. Okay, this range is unsigned means 0 to 255 characters. Okay, signed characters data type. Signed character. What are the signed character here? It takes, this is also 1 byte. It takes 1 byte. What is the format specifier? Percentile C it supports. What is the range? Minus 128 to plus 127. Plus 127. This is a range of signed characters. This is a range of signed characters. Now I will show you how many characters are there in C programming. I will show you characters and what are the ASCII values. Characters and what are the ASCII values I want to display. See all of you, how many characters are there. Okay, now I want to display. Now here I am taking character data set. See, integer also we can declare, integer ch or character ch, whatever you want to write we can write. Now 255 characters are there, that's why here I will take I equals to 0, I less than or equals to 255, and I plus plus. This loop will execute 255 times. Okay, for loop we will discuss later at the time of control statement. See how it prints. Sleep 1 second delay, it gives. Okay, what are the characters it prints? Now I want to print the characters. Printf of percentile d means ASCII value will be printed. Percentile d means ASCII value will be printed, and percentile c means character will be printed. Percentile c means character will be printed. Now print a ch value. Ch percentile means number will be printed. Percentile c means character will be printed. Now see what are the characters it will display. All of you concentrate on the screen. See the, check the characters. One error, undefined symbol I. Okay, yeah, declare as I. Okay, declare as I. This loop will execute. Sorry, ch I have written, right. Take it as integer ch. Now instead of I write ch equals to 0, ch less than or equals to 255, ch plus plus. Now we are taking ch value, right. See once run, how it executes, how many characters are there. See here. First ASCII value 0, nothing is null character, first one. Null character. Remaining characters it is not printing, they are called non-printable characters. They are called non-printable. 10 is enter character. 10 is enter character. 13 also non-printable character. Okay, 32 is a space. 32 is a space. It is printing all the characters. 32 is a space. 48 to 57. One check it. 48 to 57. What is 48 to 57? 0 to 9 characters. Check it. 48 to 57, 0 to 9 characters. And 65 to 90. One check it. 65 to 90. Okay, 65 to 90, capital A to capital Z. 65 to 90. Okay, 65 to 90. Okay, 65 to 90 is capital A to capital Z. And next, what are the other characters? See, 97. Check it once. 97 to 122. 97 to 120 is 2 is small a to small z. 97 to 122, right? Small a to small z. Clear? 97 to 122 is small a to small z. Remaining these all are some letters, non-printable characters. It is printing, right? Clear? How it is printing the values. Okay, now we'll write some characters and ASCII values. Okay, what are the ASCII values and characters? Now I want to print. See here. Here I want to print ASCII value, ASCII value, here character, which character it is. Okay, 0 ASCII value. What is 0 ASCII value? What is a character? Null character, slash 0. Slash 0 is called null character. Slash 0 is called null character. Okay. Uh, 10. What is a 10 ASCII value? 10 ASCII value is 10 ASCII value is enter character. 10 ASCII values is enter keyword. What is 32 character, right? 32 is a space. 32 is space. Okay, what are the other characters? 48 to 57. If I write 48 to 57, 48 to 57, 0 to 9 characters. 0 to 9 also characters. Okay, 65 to 90. If I write 65 to 90, what are the 65 to 90? Capital A to capital Z. Capital A to capital Z. And 95, 97 to 122. What are the 97 to 122? Small a to small z. Small a to small z. These all are ASCII values and also end of the character, EOF character is, okay. This is constant value. This ASCII value is -1. This ASCII value is -1. Okay, these are the characters and ASCII values. Clear? Okay. See here how it is printing characters. These are all Greek letters and symbols, mathematical expressions, plus and minus, right? How it is printing the values, you understood, right? Okay, 255 characters are there. 255 characters. Okay, these are the ASCII values and characters. Okay, you have to remember these ASCII values and characters. Clear? Yeah. This is a program how to print a ASCII values and characters. How to print the ASCII values and characters. This is a program. You understood, right? How many characters are there? We need to understand those ASCII values. We need to understand those ASCII values. Clear? Character occupies
Yes.
1 byte. Character occupies 1 byte. Okay. Now, next one. Next one. In characters, if I write a character, can I use percentile D? Yes, we can use percentile D for character also. See, in the C programming, all character evaluations are done in the form of ASCII value format. It won't perform in the character format. Everything converted into everything converted into ASCII value format. Clear it is? Everything converted into ASCII value format. In number format only, operations will be performed. Operation will be performed. Okay, now next program we'll discuss. What is the next program in the character? Here. Now I am taking character data type. Example, character CH. Character CH equals to 125. Okay. Character CH equals to 125. Now it is unsigned character or signed. If you did not mention anything, it default is signed. Okay. Default is signed character. Okay. Now CH equals to CH plus 10. If I write CH equals to CH plus 10. First, I want to print that value. What is CH value? How to print a CH value? We can use percentile D now, right? We can use percentile D. Now I want to print a percentile D value of CH. Okay, what it prints? No, you are printing percentile D. It prints the number. One check it. Right. One check it. It prints 125. Good. Now CH equals to CH plus 10. Now 135. Right. Now see, we are adding this 10 value to this character. Now print a value of CH now. Now I want to print a value of CH. If I print a value of CH, now what it print? Percentile print a CH value. Now I want to print a CH value. Okay. Now tell me guys, what is the output of second printf statement? Niharika CH.
Sir, 135, sir.
135. Very good. Nitin, Nitin, Aravind, yeah, Ikshwak,
135.
135. Good. Okay. Any other answers?
135.
135. Okay. Ruhina,
135.
135. Okay, we'll check it. What is the signed? You are not thinking about the program. You are not, see, already I told you what is CH value. That is signed character. I told you. What is the range?
Minus 122.
2 plus
Minus
127.
122 plus
Right?
127.
Yeah. If I add 10, does it take 135?
No, it is
Tell me, that range is what? That range is minus
minus
128 to plus 127. Now tell me what is the answer now? If I write
minus
minus 128 to plus 127, right? Now what it brings the answer? Find out and tell.
minus 121.
Minus
One
121. Yes. Any other answers? Yolika, what is the answer?
minus 121, sir.
Minus 121. Yes, correct. Why? Because that range is what? Minus 128 to plus 127, right? Minus 128 to plus 127. How much it is exceeding? If I write 135, it is how much it is exceeding? 135 means how much it is exceeding? That range is 0 to 127, right? 0 to 127. If I take 0 to 127, right? This is sorry, minus 128 to plus 127. This range is plus 127 it is. Okay. If I write 127, how much it is exceeding? If I write 127, how much it is exceeding? 135, right? 135. How much we have to subtract? 135 minus 128. 128. 135 minus 128. You have to add 0 also. Now it is 7, it is exceeding. 7, it is exceeding. Add 7 this side. Add 7 this side. Here minus 128. Minus 128 plus 7, it is a 121. See, guys, answer. If I run the program, then answer is what? Minus 121 series. First one is 125. Got it? Whenever exceeding the value, whenever exceeding a value within the range, then what will happen? If it is exceeding the range, if it is exceeding a range, how it works? Data type, right? If it is percentile, means number will be printed. If I use percentile means character will be printed. Okay, these are the character data types. Clear, right? Next, what is other data type? What is other data type? We have other data type is decimal data types. Decimal data types. Okay, what are the decimal data types? Okay, are floating point data types, right? We have three data types. No need to remember these sizes. One is float, and other one is double, float double, and long double. Float how many bytes it takes. In this compiler, 4 bytes it takes, and double how many bytes it takes. 8 bytes it takes. Double it takes 8 bytes, and long double how many bytes it takes. 10 bytes it takes. 10 bytes. Okay, what is the range? What is the range? No need to remember the ranges. Okay, the large values it takes. What is the format specifier for this? Percentile f, double for percentile lf, and what is the value for long double? Long double for percentile lf. L is a capital. So these are the format specifier for float and double. Remember, always float. Which one is float? Example, if I write 4.5, is it double or float? Okay, if there is no, if you are not writing anything, default it is double. Remember, 4.5 is double. Double means this value stored in 8 bytes. Double it is. It value stored in 8 bytes. Default it is a double. It's not float. Okay, it's not double. It's not float. Okay, when it takes float, 4.5f, if I write, it is a float value. It is a float value, right? 4.5l, if I write 4.5l, then what it takes? Okay, it is a long double. It's a long double. How many bytes it occupies? 10 bytes. Clear, right? These are called constants. 4.5 is a double, 4.5f is a right float, 4.5l is a long double. Remember, 4.5 is not equals to 4.5f. Always float is less than double, double is less than long double. Remember these values. Okay, this value float is less than double, this double is less than long double. Okay, example, uh, remember, if I store a float 4 equals to, example, if I write float x equals to 3.5 or 3.9, if I write, it won't store 3.9 exactly. Okay, x equals to 3.9. Okay, some data loss will occur. Why? Because it's a double. It's a double value when we are storing. Double means how many bytes it takes. Double takes 8 bytes. Sorry, double takes 8 bytes. Yes, double takes 8 bytes. Float takes 4 bytes. Float takes 4 bytes. What is the meaning? When we are storing 8 bytes data in 4 bytes, data loss will occur. Okay, how it takes the data loss? 3 point something, 3.39999. Sorry, 3 point, sorry, 9, right? Now it takes 3.9 we have given, 899 it takes, 89, 3.89 exactly. It won't take 9, 3.9. It's some data loss will occur. 3.8999 value it takes. Okay, clear, understood? Float is always less than. Okay, we need to understand one point. Float is less than double always, right? Double is less than long double. We have to remember this. Float is less than double, double is less than long double. Okay, now I will show you one example. Also, I want to print one float value. Now I want to print one float value. See, here I want to print a one float. Example, see, 0.7 I want to print it. 0.7. I want to print one float. You can understand why our float double both are not same. Example, now I want to print f. Now I want to print f percentile f. I will use percentile f. 0.7 I will take. 0.7. It's a double, right? 0.7 is double, and percentile 5, percentile f. Now 0.7 f also I want to write. 0.7 f. It's a float. 0.7 and 0.7 f. Run once. If I run once, see what it prints. Both values it is showing, both are same, but exactly both are not same. Okay, why? Because after decimal it is printing 6 values. See here, after decimal how many values it is printing? 6 values. Print 10 values. I want to print 10 values. How to write 10 values? Percentile 0.10f. If I write percentile 0.10f after decimal, it gives a 10 values. Percentile 0.10f. If I write percentile 0.10f also, this is double, this is float. Once execute this program, if I run this program, see the output. This is double. There is no data loss here. 0.6999 it is taking. It is not taking 0.7. It is taking 0.777. You got it right? 6999 it is taking, right? Remember, it's a float is always less than double. This 0.7 of is always less than 0.7. Remember this. Float is less than always double. Got it right? We have three these the data types, and constant also is there. Example, if I write 5, 5 default it is integer. 5 it is default it is integer. Okay, now if I write 5u, 5u. What is the mean by 5u? That is unsigned integer, right? 5u means unsigned integer. If I write 5l, what is 5l? Capital L you have to write. 5l is what? Long double it takes. Sorry, long int. Long int. Here 4.5l if it's a long double. Only integer l if it have, then it is a long double. Okay, when we are writing capitals also we can write, small letters also you can write 5u here. 5u, 5l, right? These are constants values. Okay, we have these data types, and there is no logical data types. What is the logical data type? Logical data type, boolean data type.